Okay, so does an affiliate use the control panel in much the same way, I take it?
Look, much the same way. Affiliates got a few more things to do, but there is a lot of crossover as I've shown you here. So we'll now go to an affiliate control panel and take a look at what an affiliate does.
Sure.
Okay, once again, it's got a business control panel, but it's now also got an affiliate control panel once it's been accepted by the national partner. I mentioned reporting with the national partner. That will include all reports that can be generated, so they can be customised by date to show basically what an affiliate's doing. So an affiliate can see all of the registrations and the sales of its businesses.
Okay.
A national partner has the same report, but it shows them by affiliate. So and it can drill down and see exactly what activity, so it can support its affiliates as it needs to do. Okay. And an affiliate can see what it's going to be paid, etc. Now let's take a look at the very first thing. When an affiliate first becomes an affiliate, it has what we call a web origin ID, which identifies that affiliate in the system, so that when a business registers under that affiliate, we know where that business belongs.
Sure.
Okay, so if we go to web origin ID, you'll see there is already one there, but it's easy to create some more web origins should they be required by the affiliate. Now, the reason they might want more than one is they might be running a marketing campaign and they want to test the results of different campaigns.
Sure.
They can use different registration URLs, which each web origin ID has.
I see.
So if we scroll across the page, you can see that there is a URL which is the registration URL. By clicking on that, a business will then be registering under that affiliate and within that web origin ID.
Okay.
Okay. Now you can see there that there is also the affiliate ID and the map settings. Now we're going to show you a little bit later how those map settings are put in by as the preferred default map setting of the affiliate.
Sure.
Okay, so let's go to affiliate control panel and we'll look at edit affiliate details. Now, every affiliate, when they register in the system, has an affiliate web page created for them.
Okay.
They may also want to use their own website and put an iframe and put the mapper in an iframe on their website.
Right.
They can do that. The first two boxes are purely for the affiliate web page if they want to do it. If they don't want to use that web page, they can leave those blank.
Okay.
The other boxes need to be filled in. The contact details and the email signature is used within the system, and the admin contact is used by us to contact the affiliate if the system requires it. Now, I did mention the default search parameters, and we'll just show you how that's set now if we go to show affiliate site. You can see here this is a basic affiliate page that's generated by the system.
Sure.
So each of those web origin IDs will have one of these.
Okay.
Okay, so there's the map, and that's the default setting that we've got in there. And as you can see, there's the information that was put in those text boxes, as well as the contact details and the images that we've uploaded.
Okay.
Now to change the default settings, if we want to put maybe, well, we'll leave it at hotel, and let's just change this to 20 k's of Sydney as our default search. We go back here and refresh that page.
Right.
It should show that we're now
yes.
That's the default, and that is put into the other URL that we showed earlier that fits into an iframe.
Okay.
So that will be the default map setting whenever anyone visits that web page.
Yep.
Now take a look at payout details. Now, as I mentioned earlier, this is where the commission that is generated for the affiliate will be paid into their account. Now, in Australia, we use a bank account. In other parts of the world, there will be a different payment process, and that will be shown. That's what will be available in that country.
Okay.
So if we just click on add and take a look, you can see that the only option we've got there is affiliate, and we've got a couple of options there. One is an account payment that only requires an email. If we just click on Money Bookers, in Money Bookers it really only requires an email address that they want, and that payment process will send them an email saying you have X number of dollars. Once that's established, it will then just go straight into their account.
I see.
We also ask if they're registered for GST in Australia or a sales-oriented tax.
Mm-hmm.
If in Australia, for instance, if we click on the payment type and select Australian bank account, then we just have the basic details.
Oh, I see. Yep.
And they can change that at any time.
Okay.
Whenever they like. Just go back to the affiliate control panel, and we'll just look at pre-registering a client, which allows the affiliate to put in some basic information about a business. They might be travelling, they might use their iPhone or Android smartphone, and they can put in a few basic details. If we click on create new pre-registration, just go next. We've got several web origin IDs. We need to identify which one we want to use, and we won't fill this in, but effectively we provide the first name and surname, email address, trading name. The phone is optional but useful for follow-up, and some keywords and the trading address. That will create a grey dot, as we showed before, which is unverified.
Yes.
And that will also trigger and send an email to that business. So you might just be visiting that business, say, look, you'll receive an email from me, just fill it in. It will come pre-filled with that information.
Sure.
And then they just fill in the gaps, and they've now registered under that affiliate. So a fairly simple process.
Yep.
And if we now go back to management of that, just click on the control panel and click on Manage Pre-Registrations, and you can see that all the businesses that have been registered, pre-registered for this, will remain in here until such time as the business completes the registration process.
Right.
And then they'll be moved into their normal managed clients.
Right.
Now, if we just click on an action button here, and you can see that we can also resend the email. So if they didn't get it for any reason, it went to their spam account or whatever, we can resend that email.
Okay.
They can only do that once, so that we're not running the risk of spamming businesses. Right. If they choose to ignore it after that, then they do.
Okay.
Okay, if we go back to the affiliate control panel and look at managed clients, because one of the things a business needs to do is to manage its clients and provide some sort of support to them should they not know what's there. If we look, this is one business registered under it. This is not a real affiliate. As you can see, the word test appears quite often here. Just click on action. You can see that the affiliate can operate this business, so they can go in and look at the control panel of that business to see what's wrong, if there's a problem, and provide support that way. Very importantly, they need to verify that business, which provides them with a checklist. In fact, we might just click on verify that business. And there's a page that shows all the information about that business and some various boxes that need to be ticking. And then at the end, the affiliate will say whether they've verified that business manually.
Okay.
Okay, if we go back to the action, someone might find that they can't log in after they've registered. They can click on the user access, and we can very easily see what the problem is. It might be that they haven't activated their registration as yet.
Right.
In which case they can resend the activation email.
Okay, right.
Okay, the last thing I wanted to show here in terms of a role for an affiliate is how to create an associate. Now, this is also something that a national partner will do, but I thought we'll just show it the once. So an associate, in a national partner's case, an associate is a recruiter of affiliates for the national partner.
Right. And
in exchange for that recruitment, the national partner will pay a percentage of its income that it generates to that associate or recruiter.
Right.
Okay, just click on on Manage Associates. And it's very easy to add an associate. Just click on Add Associate. Now you can see that you can select by trading name, by the Uglii global business number that every business has, and by the ABRN, which is the authorised business registration number in Australia. That is the ABN. A business needs to be registered in the system to be able to be appointed as an associate.
Right.
Okay. So we'll just search for a business that we know is in there. And there's a few. Great Beverages is one. We can now select, so we can select that, and we can set the commission. And now this commission is the percentage of what we keep in terms of a national partner keeps what is paid down to it, and less what it pays out to its affiliates. So that's the percentage that it's nominating here. So if it keeps 15% and it gives away 50%, it's giving away actually 7.5% of the revenue.
Sure.
And a description there is for your own purposes, which may say we're giving Great Grape 15% until whatever expiry date we want to make it, because it may well be that down the track we want to pay an associate less or more, depending on what. So we can have a different one for different payments.
Yep.
Now, in the case of a national partner, once they have appointed as an associate and that associate has accepted through email, then they can link an associate to a contract. For an affiliate, they simply, when they create a web origin ID and link that associate with it. Now, when someone registers under that web origin ID, then that percentage is then paid.
Right.
And a good example for an affiliate is to have a web origin ID set aside for a business that has a website, and it simply has a link on that website saying register in so-and-so affiliates directory, and it then generates an income, but doesn't have to look after the businesses the way an affiliate would.
Right.